Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take the roof off a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. First, gather your tools, specifically a T40 Torx bit and a ratchet, and make sure you have a friend to help. Park your Jeep on a flat surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Begin by opening the rear gate and lifting the glass to gain access to the interior latches. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure removal process. Next, we'll tackle the freedom panels. Inside the Jeep, unlatch the two quick-release clamps located above the driver and passenger seats. Then, flip down your sun visors to expose two additional latches on each side, which also need to be released. Finally, use your T40 Torx bit to remove the two large bolts situated in the sound bar. Carefully lift and store these panels. Now, let's move to the main hardtop. Inside the rear cargo area, you'll find 6 T40 Torx bolts along the interior edge. Carefully remove all of these. Don't forget to disconnect the rear washer fluid hose and the electrical harness, usually found on the driver's side. It's crucial to keep all your removed bolts in a safe, designated container so they don't get lost. With all bolts and connections removed, it's time for the final step. With your helper, carefully lift the hardtop straight up and off the Jeep. It's heavier than it looks, so take your time and communicate. Place the hardtop on a soft, stable surface or a specialized hoist to prevent damage. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your open-air driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.